In this video, you'll learn how to fix the profile picture managed by your organization message in Google Workspace so your users can change their own photos again. Let's get started by heading into the Google Admin Console. You'll need to be signed in with an administrator account that has permission to manage user settings. Once you're signed in, look for the main navigation menu, usually represented by three horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger icon. This menu is often in the top left corner of the Admin Console screen. Click on that menu icon to open the list of admin sections. From there, you want to go to Directory, which is where all of your users and organizational settings live. Hover over or click on Directory and then choose Users. This will open the full list of users in your Google Workspace domain. At this point, you should see a table of all your user accounts. What we're looking for now is a small control at the top right corner of this users list. In that area, find the option labeled More Options. It may appear as three vertical dots or as a text button, depending on your current admin console layout. Go ahead and click on More Options. From that drop-down, you'll see several choices for managing how users interact with their profiles. The key one for fixing the profile picture issue is called Allow Users to Edit Profile. Click on that option to open the Profile Editing Settings panel. This panel controls exactly which parts of a user's profile they're allowed to change on their own. Inside the profile editing panel, you'll see a list of profile fields with checkboxes next to them. Look for the option labeled Photo. If users are currently seeing profile picture managed by your organization, this box is likely unchecked, meaning they are not allowed to change their own profile photo. To fix that, simply check the box next to Photo. This gives users permission to upload or change their Google account picture themselves, which will affect apps like Gmail, Google Meet, and other workspace services where their avatar is shown. While you're here, you might notice a few other options you can adjust as well. You'll often see settings for name, gender, and birthday. If you want users to be able to update those details on their own, you can enable editing for those fields too by checking their boxes. Just be sure that any changes you allow line up with your organization's policies and requirements, especially if you rely on consistent names for things like email addresses or groups. Once you've selected photo and any other fields you want users to be able to edit, go down to the bottom of the panel and click Save. This step is important because the changes won't apply until you save them. After saving, the new profile editing permissions will roll out to your users. It might take a few minutes for the change to propagate across all Google services, but once it does, users should no longer see the managed by your organization message when they try to update their profile picture. Instead, they'll be able to upload a new photo directly from their Google account settings or from apps like Gmail. That's all there is to it. By adjusting the profile editing settings in the admin console, you've restored the ability for users to manage their own profile photos in Google Workspace.